Hello everyone, so this is my fifth experiment in web technology. So today my aim is to create a website which contains these elements. This is my website. So first, this is this submit box. This input box will tell which is the longest string that I have entered. Then I have BMI calculator, I have weight converter, I have a coin flip page, and this is my pizza order form. So I'll start from the beginning. This will tell how long is my string. This is the longest string which I have entered. QW is my first string. QWERTY is my second string. If I click submit, it will say the longest word is QWERTY. So this was my first to-do list. So I'll show you the HTML code for this. The script I have used for this. This is in the index.html page. So I've used the JavaScript function in this. So what I've done is I've created a function known as ABC, and I've got the get element by ID 1. 1 is the name of my input. So I've got the value from the document by using the function get element by ID. Then I have stored the value. Then I've taken the value, the box, whatever value I've got in the variable box, I have stored it in a variable str, the value of the box. Then I have introduced another variable, and I have introduced to split. What I've done is when I entered QW and QWERTY, it goes QWERTY, it goes as a one string. So in order to split between the spaces I have provided to differentiate two words, that is split using the spaces. So I use the split function. So now the two words are split. So now I use a for loop, and I'll check the length of each array, array.length, and whichever array is longest, it will display that array. Okay, the longest word is S. The longest array is stored in the variable S. So this is our first experiment. And my second experiment is a BMI calculator. So how this works is I'll enter my weight in kg. For example, my weight is 56 and my height in meters is 1.7. So I'll get my BMI as 19.377 and my body, it will show my body type. So the code for this is first I've created the HTML is a basic HTML. Then the function I've created is using JavaScript. So same, I created a function called calculate, and I've created a variable known as kg, which takes the input from the document using get element by ID. So the input box which I see weight in kilograms, it has the weight, it has the ID as weight, and the height box as the ID height. So get element by ID weight and get element by ID weight height. So dot value will give the value which is inside the box. Dot value will give the value which is inside the box. Then I created another variable known as BMI, and I perform the mathematical functions required to calculate the BMI, kg upon height into height. Then I have written the value which I have got from the value which I have in BMI into the document. So to write inside the document, again I'll do document get element by ID, and score is the this is the score I've got this value, and score is the ID inside my document, and dot in a HTML which will print BMI inside the ID tags code into the inner HTML. So if I look at my HTML code, your BMI ID is span ID score. So what this is, I've created an ID score with space, nothing here as a text. So it will print the score here. It will put the value of BMI into the score, and the score will be printed in between my text. So, and same goes for, then I've used the if else command, and same inner HTML I have used using the if else command, giving a condition for each body BMI range. It displays obese, normal, my next experiment is I'll go back, is a weight converter. So a weight converter, I can convert kg to lb and lb to kg. So 1 lb, if I want to check how many kgs, it's 4.535 kgs. So this is my HTML, this is my code for creating this function, this page. So the HTML code is a pretty basic code. I've given the required ID and input type. So now I'll get to my JavaScript functions. So I've taken the value using getElementById.value functions from the convert input box. Then I use the if else condition. If x is equals to kg, means if my first input box is kg, then that means I have to convert from kg to, if my second input box is lb, then if my first input was lb and my second input box is kg, y means second input box, x is my first input box. So then I have to convert it from lb to kg. So I'll divide by 2.48 and I'll write it at the side of the after the my button using in HTML.c. Same way goes for each if else command. So, and if at last I've given a, that was my code, and I have also created an pizza order form in which if I type any amount of pizzas, for example 2 will give me an amount as which is how much cost will be the pizza for a tip of 10%. So if I put medium pizza as 0, my cost will get reduced.